Hello everyone, my name is Tyler McDonald and I am the Technical Services Manager here at IRISS. Today I'm going to be covering how we can register our Sonus XT devices so that we can use their information to access the Sonus Vue Android or iOS app. So to begin here, you'll first need to have an IRISS Web Store account, which you can get by registering on our website, and a Sonus XT device. In order to go through this process, log in to your IRISS Web Store account and go to the My Account page. From here, you can see in the top right corner, Warranty Registration. By clicking on this, we will be taken to a page that will allow us to input the information that we want to register. Here you will see a list of options where we can select our product. In this case, we want to register our Sonus XT. Click inside the text field and select Sonus XT Warranty. Now that I've selected that, I will then add the serial number. The purchase date, I'm just going to put that in here, IRISS. I have successfully registered this device to my system. If the serial number is already in use or registered to your account or someone else's account, the following error will display. If this is incorrect, please contact us using the information provided so that we can rectify the issue and determine what's been going on. Once you've registered, you can then go to your app and log in using the email address associated with this account and the 5-digit serial number that you just registered. If you have any further questions or wish to see the other items for the setup process, please see some of our instructional information on the IRISS website. Thank you.